Hi, do you want to make service section card like this, where when you hover a card it changes its border color, and when you hover the button it changes its background color and text color. Also, if you remove this button, you can use it for service description. It is very cool way to present your service description and it's very effective because nowadays people get bored to read plain text. Follow me along with this tutorial and I will provide a link to download this file, and at the end I will show you how to import the section to your website. It is pretty easy to import any file. However, it could help someone who do not know how to import a file to their website. Well, for this we only need two plugins. The first one is Elementor Page Builder and the free version is enough for us. This is the plugin and that I already installed, and another plugin is Elementor add-ons. Let's start the design process. First go to the advanced section, unlink this one and 15. Afterward, a intersection, duplicate this one, and now there is three column. And now I will add an icon box which comes with Elementor Page Builder default, and go to the style section content and change it to the web development. This is the 400 and this one is 23. Icon is like the same, only 50. And for padding 15, 15. Instead of this, just change this icon. The work is done. Now I will bring icon list and I'll remove these two, and I will change this icon first. CTCK. And this one is thinner, and that's why I choose it. And from here, I write is kit 3, icon size 12. Take it so that it's text typography 14. It's all done. Now go to the list section and copy it. No, not right now. First change the icon color. From there, I copy this. Now it's done. Now duplicate this, and for a different version, I just this. Now everything is done. Only thing is button. First change the level. One more. Go to the style and change this color to this one. And for text color, I will choose this. I had the change the typography to 400, and this is good. Now I just need to change the border color. Select two is enough. Text color in hover. I think all is good. Yes, now it's working. The only thing left is this border color. First of all, I need to select solid. Now then two, and I have to give it a color which is F7. Now you can see that there is some gray color around it. And now select this color and on the hover section, I will do the exact same. Now the work is done. One last thing left is that bottom. The another thing is make left and right and left 15-15 so that it comes in the center. Now I'm going to duplicate this two times and remove this. Here you can see, but one issue is that you can see that this is interact each other. That's why we'll make, and on that make it 15. This also make it 15. This also make it 15. Now all thing is done. As it is finished, you can change the text according to your need. Like if you choose, and you can write SEO or any other thing that you like, and also uh, change the icon from here. I will provide a link to download this, and you will get this version, which is well designed. And I just made this for that I can show you what is the process to make this. Let's see how you can import this to your website. Go to the dashboard and go to the Elementor setting, go to the advanced setting, and make sure that this thing is enabled. And that's it. Save changes. Go to the dedicated page where you want to import this, and go to the folder section. And from here, upload this file that you downloaded from the description, and insert it and apply. There might some problem with the color, and you can change it manually because this color are picked from the your theme color. And also make sure that every font are same. And you might work for it, because every theme has their dedicated font, and that's why when you import a template where your font is not matched, this kind of problem appear. You can simply change those things from the content and over the typography, and where you can make these changes.